Hey, happy Monday. Brad Niccum here, Nest Mortgage Group. Hope you all had a great weekend. You've probably heard a lot of talk last week and the middle and the end of last week about interest rates going up a little bit and inflation reports. Well, last Wednesday, the CPI report came out with a much higher than expected inflation number, and that sent the bond market into a bit of a tailspin for a few days. The bond has leveled off a little bit, still above that 1.6 threshold, and that's pushed rates up into the threes. So if your customers are asking questions about interest rates, call me so we can personally talk about a scenario and find out what their rate might be. Some good news in the forbearance front in the United States. Forbearance has dropped 2% last month. Nearly 300,000 people left their forbearance plan last week. And I mention this because last time this year, a lot of homeowners were talking about the potential of a housing crash with COVID-related foreclosures. Looks like that's just isn't going to happen, and that's great news. Also read an article today about them saying competition for buying a house has dropped a little bit. Only 40% of the homes that were sold last month were sold over the list price in the United States. So that's really funny. It's helpful to explain to some of your buyers that are trying to buy a house under the offering price, and maybe they're listening to their parents or someone telling them, hey, you should not put in a full price offer. In today's market, you should put it in an overpriced market. So I did put together a housing chart I found online. There's a link to it here in the body of the message. It kind of shows what the houses are selling for in each major market and how much over list price their average is going for. So to talk about some good news, we're really excited here at Nest Mortgage Group. We have added a new underwriter in our Greenwood office. His name's Michael. He's been underwriting loans for the last 10 years. He's very experienced as a DE underwriter, so he can do all of our FHAs, VAs, USCAs, everything. And what this means to you is just faster service. Right now we're doing same-day underwriting approvals on all loan types. No more waiting 48 hours for underwriting approval. It also improves all of our turn times on clearing conditions, being able to get CTCs even faster than before. So if you're tired of waiting on other lenders, give us a call. It shows how fast we can do these things. Closing loans in less than 30 days. Still doing 1 hour pre-approvals 7 days a week. So if you're showing homes to somebody that's not pre-approved yet and you need a pre-approval done fast, give me a call. And I look forward to talking to you next Monday. Have a great day.